Ako si Nato Villasquez. Ang pamilya ko ay nabibilang sa mga malalita ng ating bansa. Mas naging mahirap ang lahat noong nagkaroon ng pandemya. Naging mas mahirapan ang pagbili ng pagkain o paglabas ng bahay. Buti na lang, andyan ang DOST na kaagapay sa amin.
Health and nutrition initiatives from the Department of Science and Technology has been provided to the community in battling against the pandemic. Boosting the nutrition of undernourished children, as well as ensuring the safety of the community from COVID-19 by providing specimen collection booth. Face mask, and face shields to the health workers and frontliners with innovative science and technology products. Lab testing was also conducted to determine the materials used for potential PPEs to be distributed. Calibration services to help ensure the quality and performance of IR thermometers used in airports and other stations in the region, and sustain the health of lactating mothers by providing maternity milk products amidst the pandemic.
Ako si Nato Villasquez. Naniniwala akong kaya nating labanan ang COVID-19 kapag nagkaisa kasama ang agham at teknolohiya.